Do you think that there is a Yiddish revival in Poland but also in Europe?
Yes, I think so. I know that when I started studying, there were maybe a few, some Yiddish summer courses offered, and today, as far as I know, there are many more. So even within these few years, the number of summer Yiddish courses grew. And I know that when I started studying, it was still not very popular to study Yiddish in Israel, and today, as far as I know, it is very popular to study Yiddish also in Israel. I mean, maybe not very, but it is possible at Tel Aviv University or at Hebrew University. And in America, I think it's even bigger. The revival of the secular Yiddish interest is growing. I think it is true. I think the future depends on people who will be also passing this passion and people who will be able to really inflame or like to make young people or make other students younger than them interested in it, so that it can be continued. There is a risk that it will be just like something like a fashion, and then the interest will die out. I hope not, but I believe that we have to really try to make more people interested in it. And also, I think that it should, we need more, because today, learning Yiddish, it's difficult to make it, to make a living out of it, right? So I think we also need some more commercial platforms that will make it interesting, not only academic platforms, but also translations of books or films based on some Yiddish materials. I don't know, but something that will really make it also, it should, the whole field should also be able to earn some money and to make it possible so that it can grow.